Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, the best place for makeup and skincare. So in this video I'm going to show you this look which I have created in Sosthi. Yeah, I would say in Durga Puja's first day, Sosthi, I've created this look and I think it's pretty cool. It's dramatic as well as very classy look in my opinion. So yes, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe because this means a lot to me. And yes, without further making it long intro, let's jump into the video.